it's Yolz and welcome back to my channel. This is my first wig on top of my mohawk hairstyle. I know some of you are wondering whether or not I can actually rock a wig with the sides of my hair shaven, and yes, it looks like I can. I was definitely also wondering, like, can I actually rock a wig? I tried once. I don't actually think I took a photo and I didn't like the way the wig fit. It was a bit too big. However, when I ordered this wig, I got it in a size extra small and it looks like I can finally wear a wig on my hair. The plus of it is that I actually am wearing a wig without makeup. So usually I'll come here, if I'm wearing a wig, I'll actually always put on makeup. But when I put on this wig, I realized, actually, girl, you can rock this baby without makeup. I am honestly a person who doesn't always wear makeup, and sometimes I find myself wanting to wear a wig, but then I'm just like, I need to wear makeup. I don't have time for that. Then I just rock my fro, or in this case, I actually just rock my mohawk as is. But yeah, those situations are over because now I've found the wig where I can actually rock it without wearing makeup. Comment down below if you also agree with me. I personally think this looks pretty good with or without makeup. Of course, it's probably going to look even better when you do up the face. So let's get straight into this video. Today I am reviewing this wig from Hergivenhair. It is a 3B3C Hergivenhair wig. So if you're wondering what hair to rock on Valentine's Day, honey, look no further. I'm going to show you guys how I prepared this hair and how to get it in this state where basically it can barely see that lace, honey. Yes, to an almost invisible lace. Actually, on that Valentine's note, are you doing anything on Valentine's Day? Let me know down below. If you are single, girl, please get yourself a gift. It's always something special, okay? Valentine's Day is not just for couples. I don't believe it. When I was single, I bought myself gifts. What I also wanted to tell you is that Hergivenhair will be having a sale from the 10th to the 15th of February. So they'll be having up to 60% off on all their hair. So go ahead and get yourself some new hair for Valentine's Day, even if it's for yourself, honey. Do it. Anyway, let me stop talking. Let's get straight into this video. If you do enjoy it, you know what to do. Give it a massive thumbs up. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already. And now, let's get into this video. So I received this hair in this beautiful Hergivenhair box, and inside there was the hair, obviously. It also had extra clips, which I've shown you guys in previous Hergivenhair videos. Then it also had a wig instruction book, and finally, of course, it had a wig cap, which I actually didn't use in this video, but you'll see how I styled this baby. Before washing the hair, I actually detangled it with my hands and then started the washing process. I simply used my 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner to my hair. I washed it and kept on raking my fingers through the hair just to detangle it a little bit more. I actually thought it would shed a little bit more, similar to the 4 type hair that I've gotten from Hergivenhair. But surprisingly, I did not see much shedding. I'll actually show you how much shedding I got from this hair. So this is literally how much shedding I got, and I went back in, raked my fingers again just to re-detangle the hair and see if there was any more shedded hair, and there was very little hair that was shedded, so that's awesome. I then went ahead and hung my hair and then applied my leave-in conditioner on the hair just to let the product absorb while it dries. So once my wig was dry, I went straight to my bathroom and I wanted to show you guys what it looks inside. So obviously it's a lace frontal wig, so the whole front is made of Swiss lace. The back also has a strip of lace, and what I loved about it is this adjustable strap. Pretty awesome given that this was a size extra small. My head obviously is a lot smaller now that I don't have hair on my sides, so I actually hooked it on the very last hook so that it is super tight on my hair and that we don't have situations where, you know, it wants to fall off. So I tested the wig by putting it on my hair just to see how it fits before cutting off the lace. Then from the back, I cut off that little strip of lace. Before I cut the lace in the front, I decided to actually put the wig on, lay it first with my edge gel, and then cut it. I saw this method from Vongai and I thought actually it's really smart, especially for beginners. Again, you want to know where exactly to cut, so you want to actually see how it fits around the perimeter of your head. I literally just slap it on and then lay the lace just over my hairline around the perimeter of the front of my head. Once I'm happy with the way I've laid the lace, I then start cutting from my right ear up over my forehead and then to my left ear. Now to create the side path. I love my side path, you guys. I'm sure you've seen it like tons of times. I just used my red tail comb and then created a path on the side of my head just above my eye. I added my concealer and then just blended it in with my finger. I was really happy with the way it looks, but I felt like I needed more volume just around the side parts, so I went ahead and I fluffed my hair out. Thereafter, I decided, you know what, let me just fill in my brows just a little bit, because even though there's no need, there is a need. I just see a small need. There's literally no need to put on any single makeup with this wig. It fits my natural face as it is, but I'm extra like that, so I filled in my brows, added a bit of mascara to my eyes, and then of course I'm a gloss girl. I added a little bit of gloss on my lips. Okay, maybe not a little bit, like a lot of gloss on my lips, just to give it that juicy lip look, and I was done. I do wish I went a little longer with the length. Maybe I should have gone for like a 20-inch, because I know as it dries it will move up. I love the fact that it's going to look puffier, but I've got chubby cheeks, y'all, so I do need something that's going to make my face look a little bit longer. I know I love short wigs, but every time I look at pictures I'm like, girl, you should go longer, just so that your face looks a little bit longer. So yeah, that's the only thing I would change. I love the fact that I went for something different, not in the 4 type hair, but rather in the 3, and I actually quite like it, you know. Would I actually apply concealer the next time I wear this wig? No, I don't think so. I think this was a bit extra, although it's blended in very nicely, but it's quite a risk if you only have very light concealers. Girl, this method right here is gonna fail, so rather not. The lace is pretty transparent, you won't really see it anyway, but I was just being extra. I was just being Yolz, y'all. If you need any more info about this hair, check down in the description box. All the info is there for you, honey. Let me know down below what you'll be up to on Valentine's Day. I want to know. Give me details. I definitely want to know. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you won't be getting new hair, also let me know. Okay, let me stop. Don't forget to subscribe though if you haven't subscribed. Okay, bye.